So I've been using Invideo.io text to video generator for some months now, and in this review video I'm going to give you guys a very honest review here. I'm going to walk you guys through on everything you need to know about Invideo.io. I'm going to walk you guys through the pros, which are the good sides of it, that's the things that I liked about this Invideo.io, and I'm going to walk you guys through the cons, which are the bad sides, the things that I don't really like about this Invideo.io, and I feel like you might not like it as well. After which I'm going to share my personal experience that I actually had with this Invideo.io. After which I'm going to share with you guys the accounts, that's the YouTube channel and the Instagram account that I tested this Invideo on. That's the videos that I uploaded on this YouTube channel and the Instagram account are being created by this Invideo.io. I'm going to show you guys everything in this video, and after I'm done showing you guys, you will be able to make an informed decision on whether or not Invideo.io text to video generator is the right AI generator for you. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, I'm going to get this review started. But before I do that, if by the end of this video you've seen the pros, the cons, my personal experience and the results, and you decide that you want to use this Invideo.io, what I recommend you do is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. That's the link to Invideo.io official website. Okay, use that very link and actually go to their official website. You might as well get a discount using this very link, because either I'm talking about these things, the first time that I paid for Invideo subscription, I was able to get it at a discounted price because of a coupon link, and that's the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. So now that I've talked about that, don't forget to leave me a like in this video if you found this video very useful and helpful, and I'm going to appreciate that. Okay, if you happen to have any question pertaining to this Invideo.io, leave me a question down below in the comment section and I'm going to answer all the questions. So now that I've talked about that, we are going to get this review started by talking about the good sides, which are the pros, and the bad sides, which is the cons. But before I do that, I just want to give you guys a brief explanation of what this Invideo.io is, for those of you who are hearing this for the first time, or for those of you who haven't really understand what it is and what it does. Okay, so basically Invideo is a text to video and text to speech creator that helps you create quality audio and video content in minutes. The platform allows you to import or type text or generate videos with realistic artificial intelligence voices in more than 75 languages and 100 dialects. Okay, so that's exactly what Invideo.io is. It's a text to video and also a text to speech generator that actually generates quality video content for you. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, I'm now going to move on to the point of this video where I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons. And after I'm done talking about the pros, which are the things that I liked and I feel like you might like it as well, I'm going to talk about the cons, which are the things that I don't really like and I feel like you might not like it. After which I'm going to show you guys the results that I actually gained from the help of Invideo.io. Okay, so coming to the pros, the first thing that I would like to mention here that comes with you using this Invideo.io that I liked and you are going to also like it is what I call effective video creation. Okay, so I love how the video creation process, the quality of the video, everything about the video, I love it. And the reason why I say that is because I've actually used them. I've used them for up to 9 months now and I haven't experienced anything like low quality video. They give me the best. They give me better version of video, quality audio, and every other thing that I'm going to mention here. And that's something that I loved about these guys. Effective video creation. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, the second thing that I would like to mention here that comes with using this Invideo is the fact that Invideo is a safe site. Okay, Invideo is a safe and a legit site, and I've used them. And the reason why I say that it's a safe site is that I've used it for up to 9 months now. I've been paying for subscription and I haven't experienced anything like site lagging, site interruption, anything like that. I haven't done that, and that's unlike their competitors out there. Some of their competitors programmers doesn't know how to program their sites to work in a way that the system will be smooth and effective for users. Invideo is smooth and effective, and I haven't experienced anything like system lagging or anything like that. So now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list that I need to mention is the fact that they have a very good customer support team. Okay, their customer support is a top notch. Their customer support is active. I love how active they are. I love how they operate. If you happen to have any question, reach out to them and they're going to get back to you. Not just me that I've actually said that, other people have also said it about Invideo.io. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list here that I liked about these guys is the fact that they have an advanced AI capabilities. Okay, their AI work is a top notch. I love how their site is being built. The programmers of those sites are good. I love it. Invideo.io is ready to take command from you anytime you want. Maybe let me just say that the music background on your video is actually very high. You can actually tell them reduce the sound to 80% down and they're going to do that for you. or you can tell them to add some subtitles or change the voice from female to male voice, or from male to female voice, or from UK to American voice, or from Canada voice to American voice. Any choice, okay? You can give them any prompt command and they're going to do it for you effectively. And that's something that I loved about this Invideo.io, and I would love to mention it here so just you know what you're going to expect while using this Invideo.io. So aside that, the next pro on my list here that I need to mention is the fact that it has a very friendly user interface. Their dashboard is actually very good, clean and understandable. Even if you're a beginner in this dashboard, you are going to find it very interesting and very easy for you to navigate and understand and operate. Okay, that's something that I loved about them. Aside that, they have free trial. Okay, they have free trial and no credit card is being required. But believe me, if you use the free trial, you'll be forced to use the subscription plan. I'm talking about, I experienced that. I first used the free trial, but I see that you paying is actually good, and I paid and I got the best out of them, and I'm still using it up till now. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, the last but not the least pro on my list here that I need to mention here that comes with you using this Invideo.io is the fact that you can clone your own voice. Okay, you can actually clone your own voice, but if you don't like your voice, their voice is actually good. Their voice is human-like voice. Okay, it's just more thing close to human voice, but that's part of the work on the site. You can clone your voice, you can actually put it out, use your own voice to create artificial intelligent videos. Okay, that's something that is very good. Okay, so now that I've talked about the pros, that's the things that I liked about this Invideo. I'm going to talk about the cons. That's the things that I don't really like about this Invideo, and I feel like you might not like it as well. Okay, so for the cons, the first thing that I don't like about this Invideo.io is the fact that you're going to be dependent on AI, okay? Just as the name said, Invideo.io, that's a text to video generator, AI generator. The name of the site actually explains itself, okay? You're going to be dependent on AI because it was built on AI, it was built on technology, but I don't really see an issue with this. I've used it for months now, and it delivers, it works, it's close to perfection. Okay, if you use it, you're not going to regret it, you're actually going to enjoy it. A lot of people are using it for their AI video creation. Okay, so aside that, the next con on my list here that I don't like about this Invideo.io is the fact that it has no guide. There is no tutorial video on the site that is actually going to give you an overview or walk you through on what you're going to do. But that's not really an issue because I'm here to actually walk you through. That's me here telling you everything you need to know about this site because I've used it. Okay, I've gotten a first-hand experience about this, and I feel like you want to use it, just that you want to get a review, you want to get an overview, you want to get an information before you pay for the subscription. So that's exactly how I operate on my YouTube channel. I go find some product or find some software that I'm actually going to use or that I want to use. I test them out, I give them some period of time, and I come here on my YouTube channel to actually show you everything you need to know about that very site. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, the last con on my list here that I don't really like about this Invideo.io is the fact that there are some fakes out there. All of these AI video generator, that's text to video, speech to video generator, actually suffers from this. Okay, a lot of them actually suffers in the sense that there are some scammers who are going to build similar sites like them, Invideo, Flicky, all of them, and they're going to use it to scam people or to lure people away from the major site. So if you are not that internet wise, or if you're new on the internet, or if you don't want to experience anything like that, what I will advise you for you to do is for you to go to your browser, anyone, Google, Safari, Phoenix, anyone that you're using, search for www.invideo.io and you're going to see them. Okay, or better still, you're going to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. That's the link to Invideo.io official website. If you use that very link, you're actually going to go to Invideo.io official website directly. Okay, you will also get it at a discounted price if you use that very link. Okay, so now that I've talked about the pros and I've talked about the cons, I'm now going to share my personal experience with you guys, after which I'm going to show you guys the results of the YouTube channel and the Instagram account that I tested this Invideo.io on. Okay, so about my experience, I first heard of this Invideo.io on a blog post while I was searching for text to video AI generator that I'm going to use for my YouTube channel, which I want to build on. Okay, and also my Instagram account. So after doing my deeper research, I saw Invideo as one of the top 3, top 4, top 5 in all the blogs that I've actually seen. I decided to do some deeper research on my own, and after all said and done, I was convinced enough to use it. Okay, so I started using it, and this is the 9th month of me using this Invideo.io. And up here on the screen was my YouTube channel before I started using this Invideo.io. You're going to see that I'm just at 777 subscribers up here on the screen. Okay, that's the amount of subscribers that I've actually gained before I started using this Invideo.io to generate videos that I'm going to post on the YouTube channel. Okay, so after the 9 months of me using this Invideo.io, I was able to get to this 169,000 subscribers that you're seeing up here on the screen. Every video that you're seeing on this screen is generated with the use of Invideo.io. Every video. And I mean what I'm saying, okay? I was able to grow this account. I was able to do a lot of things, earn money from this account with the help of Invideo.io. And that's me here telling you that it works on my YouTube channel, okay? So coming to my Instagram account, after me using Invideo.io on my YouTube channel, that's the video on my YouTube channel videos for 5 months, I was able to see the results, see how it's performing, how everything is working. Then what I did here was that I decided to do it again on my Instagram account. And this was my Instagram account before I started using Invideo. You're going to see that I'm at 106 followers, okay? So right now is the 4th month of me using this Invideo to generate videos on my Instagram account. And you're going to see that my account is at 55,000 followers on the screen here, okay? You're going to see that I was able to do all these things with the use of Invideo.io, okay? I just get some script, write it, edit it, do everything, then go to Invideo, paste it there, give them my command, and they solve it for me. They create an amazing video for me, and the video is of quality. I did some other thumbnail, other title, other things, and I was able to rank these videos, okay? And that's how I was able to build my YouTube channel and my Instagram account. So when it comes to my final recommendation, when it comes to whether or not Invideo.io works, yes, I recommend Invideo.io 100%. It's a safe site, it works, it delivers, okay? So if after watching this video you've seen the pros, the cons, and you decide that you want to use this Invideo.io, what I recommend you do is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. That's the link to Invideo official website, okay? Use that link and also secure some discount, okay? So now that I've talked about that, I'm going to call this a full review here. If you found this video very useful, you leave me a like in this video and I'm going to appreciate that, okay? If you happen to have any question, leave me a question down below in the comment section and I'm going to answer all the questions. Do have a nice day, guys. Stay safe out there.